Hey guys, how you doing? It's Joseph Chacon with the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. We're over here with Fernando Jaramillo and Adriana Aguilar with ABQ Sanitation. Fernando is the founder and owner of ABQ Sanitation Company. And I want to thank you guys for coming in today.
Thank you, Joe. Appreciate it.
Tell us a little bit about the why. I mean, I'm really curious. Why did you get started? Tell me about the startup and how that story went.
So, in everything with ABQ Sanitation, it was a process, not gonna lie. The reason I started is because my oldest daughter is now 11, but she has severe asthma. So anything allergen, particulate-wise, pollen, I can go off of a dust shelf and she's already, she'll have an attack. At that point, I wanted to keep a way to have a clean room for her. So then my wife was like, hey, maybe we should try to sanitize and disinfect. And I said, yeah, let's do it on a daily basis. I got all the equipment. I got the product that was meant for anybody that had an autoimmune disorder.
Oh, got it.
And at that point, I went full-fledged with it. And then next thing you know, ABQ Sanitation just turned into this big name as of 2016.
Wow.
So being back that long, it's one of those things where I know a lot of people are like, wow, we never heard you, but we've kind of been in plain sight, hidden in plain sight.
So tell me about the process of how this product works and what does it do for the house?
Yeah, so we provide different service lifespans. So we offer a 6-day lifespan in service. The product that we use is a 2-part product. They're a local company here for New Mexico, validated and legit scientists out of Sandia National Labs. And we have now been recognized by Neosun Labs as a distributor for their company. We stand by this product to the fullest. They got started because of anthrax. And it was great because they were like, we want to create something. And they're such a phenomenal company. When COVID came in, it came in strong. And I got to say a big thanks to my entire team in general. That without them, honestly, it wouldn't have been as an easy process as it's been.
Oh, and I hear you guys are actually bringing on even more services. So tell us a little bit about those. What are you bringing on?
We're actually bringing on a maid service. It's going to be called Q Maid, and we're going to bring it on around March 15th.
Yeah, it's going to be nice because we'll be able to go in and do full in-depth home cleaning and getting a different insight of what we do for our service for sanitation.
And so now they're going to have a full wipe down of everything with that service, with the additional service you guys are bringing on. Okay, perfect.
So whether they go in before us or whatever, we'll be able to go in and still do the cleaning after them.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
I think going to be valuable to the community. I think you're going to be able to help a lot of local families and businesses with the additional products you guys are bringing on. So that's really exciting.
What we'd like to do today is give an additional 10% off for you bringing us on, which would be great.
Awesome.
So then they can go ahead and type in that code for it. Yeah, CQ10. We'll put CQ10 for the code on there.
Yeah.
And then at that point, once they type it in, it'll adjust the pricing, and then we can get service done for them.
Awesome. Well, thank you. You got some cool benefits for the community out there. My wife and I were able to bring Fernando and his team over to our house, and we were actually able to utilize their services, and we're really happy with them. So I suggest you guys give them a chance, and I think you'll be happy with them as well. And I want to thank you guys for coming on today. Truly appreciate you.
Definitely.
I'm looking forward to you guys. Absolutely. Very nice to meet you guys.
Awesome.
And you guys all take care and have a good one. Bye.